Rise and shine East Texas. You're watching KETK Today.
Welcome back in. Here is a look at Tyler right now with our Plaza Tower Skyview camera, brought to you by the Tyler Neurosurgical Associates. We are waking up to some clear skies for many of us, especially south of Interstate 20, but we're looking northbound right now. You can see the clouds on the horizon. That is all associated with what is now tropical depression barrel, which is continuing to lift off to our north and to our east this morning through the state of Arkansas. 68 degrees is the current temperature in Tyler, and the wind is out of the west at around 5 miles per hour. Temperatures sitting out in the upper 60s to lower 70s across the Arklatex and the surrounding area. A little bit warmer down towards the I-10 corridor as per usual, in the upper 70s for San Antonio and Houston. But the coolest air around the region is in the Panhandle of Texas, where we have those temperatures in the middle 60s out in Lubbock and Amarillo. Now, for our day today, we are going to see some morning cloud cover, especially north of Interstate 20, along with some patchy drizzle as well in those same areas. But it will give way to sunshine area-wide as we head throughout most of the day today, with those high temperatures making it into the upper 80s. So rather pleasant for the month of July here, when we typically see those highs in the mid 90s now and those heat index values above 105. It's certainly going to be welcomed relief today. It's not going to be cold by any stretch, but here is still going to be pretty nice overall for our day today. Now, it's a slow warming trend, though, as we head over the coming week here. We'll be back to average by the day on Friday, but we'll kind of hover around there through the weekend with a more noticeable warm-up heading into next week with a return of highs in the mid-90s. And by the weekend and into next week, we'll have to start considering the heat index once again as well. But in the meantime, certainly an enjoyable stretch of July weather for us here, thanks to all the rainfall that we've recently seen. Speaking of the rain, here's a look at how we're doing for the month of July. We've picked up 2.99 inches in Tyler, 5.35 inches in Longview, and we've picked up 4.05 inches out in Lufkin. That is good for a surplus across the entire area. And if the month were to end today, we would even end up with a surplus only 8 full days in. So some good news there. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. It's an overall dry next 7 days. We will see a chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm, though, returning by the day on Saturday. But other than that, we're going to see mostly sunny skies through Thursday with a few more clouds by the weekend. For Deep East Texas, it's more of the same. Look for those highs to be in the low 90s starting tomorrow and lasting over the next several days, with high temperatures in the low 90s Friday and Saturday, with a chance for some isolated showers and thunderstorms.